If you, like me, have been in a Morrison supermarket lately, you'll be really, really impressed at the diversity and the range of species and products, tastes and texture that they are serving up on their seafood counter and in their seafood aisles. I've come today to talk to Rob Cartwright. He's the Senior Buying Manager for Morrison's, to find out a little bit more about what they do and how they do that. So Rob, hi. Thanks for having us over. Good to see you.
Yeah, likewise.
Can you just tell us a little bit about the Morrison's generally?
Yeah, absolutely. So Morrison's has 498 stores across the UK and one in Gibraltar. One thing a lot of people don't realise is actually Morrison's the second largest food producer in the UK. Mm-hmm. We've got 19 sites and 7,000 colleagues. So we have our own abattoirs, flowers, produce, fruit, nuts, bakery. But also, closer to home, here in Grimsby, we have two processing sites of seafood.
Grimsby is the home of UK seafood processing. Presumably that brings a benefit for you as a business being in this cluster.
Grimsby as a cluster is the heartbeat of operations within the UK, given 80% of all seafood is processed by volume here in Grimsby. What it does give us is that expertise on our doorstep, whether that's on the factory floor or whether that's a support function such as NPD, engineering, supply chain, logistics, fresh fish coming through into Grimsby every day, frozen with the master array of cold stores, and also we're very central for our distribution chains.
Yeah. Let's talk a bit about the sourcing of your raw material. Given all of that range of product you provide, you're obviously bringing in raw material from a whole range of different countries, I imagine. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously, it is a global demand and global business. So we have obviously the core range of cod, haddock, salmon going out of Iceland, Norway, Scotland. We go further afield to warm water prawns from Thailand, Vietnam, India, cold waters from Canada, muscle meat from Chile. But then closer to home, we've got mackerel, herring from Scotland. And our closest supplier is actually 30 miles away in Hereham, North Yorkshire, for Yorkshire trout.
Excellent. And to handle that diversity of material, I noticed you've got a lot of automation in the plant here. Your partner there is Morrell, is it?
It is Morrell, yes. So they offer us a turnkey solution throughout the site. However, we do value our expertise with hand filleting, hand deheading, etc. So there's a fine balance to be had.
Yeah. I notice the staff here pretty high skilled, aren't they? When you look at them on the lines and the skills they've got, the filleting skills. Tell us a little bit about the training of those guys.
Yeah, so in terms of training, we have training on site. We have training through our central team at head office. All our colleagues on site have career chats twice a year, development plans, etc. So it really is the world's your oyster, to pardon the pun.
So good to hear about all of that. You've got two sites here. We're taking a look at the raw intake, aren't we?
We are,
at this site, but then we're going to pop across to your other site and tell us what goes on there.
So over to our largest site, which we invested in 2015, we've got 14 packing lines. We've got high risk, low risk, high care. So everything from hot smoking, cold smoking, multivac packing, added value. So a lot of diverse products going through there. In total, we have 112 products going through the site.
Yeah, wow, it's really impressive. Thanks, Rob, for having us over. It's been great to look around, and I hope you've enjoyed watching that on our Seafish YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.